Assalamu alaikum KG2. This is Bushra Zanjua, your English teacher, and today we will read on page number 18. Let's start. Can you see the words? There is a sound in the middle of all words written here. So that's why they are called a words. Let's start. At sat, at sat, at sad, at sad, d a d dad, d a d dad, d a dam, d a dam, r a ran, r a ran, r at rat, r at rat, l a p lap, l a p lap, l a d lad, l a d lad, a fan, a fan, at fat, at fat, ap map, ap map, at mat, at mat. Read them and read with the sounds, with the phonics. Okay. In case of any query, you can contact me on my email address. Thank you.